Hi there, I'm Dr. Johnson McGill, podiatrist and medical advisor for Blastiful. If you are wearing high heels, sitting for long periods of time, spending a lot of time on your feet, perhaps overweight, or have rheumatoid arthritis, if you are a runner or a dancer, have flat feet or very high arches, then you will have a higher risk of developing various foot conditions. Now, the most common conditions are bunions, plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, just to name a few. These may cause pain of your feet, ankles, knees, and back, and if not treated properly, may even prevent you from walking. So wearing a special orthopedic footwear is critical to reduce the stress on your lower body and relieve the pain. All Blastiful products feature the premium arch support and advanced foot biomechanics technology proven to offer instant pain relief and support. Blastiful have always been my #1 recommendation for my patients.
I am beyond satisfied with my purchase. I have suffered from issues with my feet, heel spares for 2 years, and I've tried everything from physical therapy, splints, I've tried braces, medications, and so many shoes and inserts, but then I ordered Blastiful. One of the best things I've bought, and I did this out of desperation. The moment I put them on, I had relief. Blastiful are completely different. Now I was able to easily do 2 12-hour days in parks. I was beyond amazed and so grateful. So thanks very much.
Amazing shoes. I have wide feet and flat arches. This dilemma has put me on a lifelong quest for a truly comfortable shoe. My quest has ended at last. Blastiful shoes are remarkable. I tried them on in the house on carpet. It was like walking on a cloud. No rubbing on the sides or top of my foot, no heel slippage, and after a full day on my feet, it's like I haven't even had shoes on. My feet have never been happier. I'm a teacher and I need comfortable, supportive shoes, so I highly recommend.
So to learn more, please visit Blastiful.